we are going to see about the batch filtration method. For that, first we need to look into the requirements for this experiment. We are going to use calcium carbonate as a filtering material, okay? And we are going to use the filter paper as the filter medium. So 10% calcium carbonate, 5 gram is taken, and we are going to mix it in a 50 ml of water to create a mixture which has to be filtered through this filter medium that has been encircled inside this funnel. Okay. So these are the requirements. This filter medium has to be folded in such a way that it has to be fixed inside the funnel. Let us see how it is being folded. So the circular filter medium is converted into a conical form, the form of cone, so that it fit into the funnel. So this is how the filter medium is placed inside the funnel. Now the defined quantity of water is being added into the calcium carbonate to make a homogeneous mixture. We need a mixing to create homogeneous mixture, and the funnel has to be kept over this measuring cylinder, and this calcium carbonate water mixture is poured from the top of the funnel through the filter medium. We need to pour at once, and you need to start measure the volume of filtrate being collected. Okay, filtered medium and the liquid collected from the filter medium is the filtrate. So with respect to time, we need to measure the volume. Say for example, start measuring the volume of filtrate from 30 seconds. So 30 seconds measure 10 ml, and then after 60 seconds measure the volume of the filtrate. Likewise, we need to go upon. You can see initially the filtrate collection the volume is very faster. The drop is very faster. Now it started to reduce. This reduction in the filtrate collection is due to the cake resistance. What is cake resistance? The resistance offered by the particle that are present in the filter medium to resist the filtration to happen. Let us see what happened at the top of the funnel. You can see after added, slowly the calcium carbonate started to precipitate over the filter medium. So it go and clogs the filtration pores. Okay, so the water has to percolate through the pores that are already been occupied. So and then it has to first pass through the cake. Cake means the particle that are sedimented over the surface. Then it has to pass through the filter medium to elute from the bottom. So that's why initially when you are adding, when there is no filter cake, the collection of filtrate is very faster. Whereas in due course of time, the collection of filtrate, the time taken for collection of filtrate tend to become slower. That is due to the resistance offered by the particle that are embedded in the filtrate medium. Now you can see only the drop-wise collection of filtrate in the bottom vessel, which shows that the cake resistance has started to increase. Okay, so now we need to measure the time with respect to the volume of the filtrate collected. After employing the formula of the area to find surface area of the filter medium, we can able to calculate the batch filtration time as given in your manual using the formula. Thank you. Earlier, in due course of time, the filtration process gets over either due to the completeness of liquid or due to the excessive cake resistance. Now the filtration has almost stopped. You can see only little drops dropping from the bottom of the funnel. Let us see from the top of the funnel. You can see all the liquid has been collected as a filtrate at the bottom, straining the calcium carbonate. You can see the cake forming. Okay, so what we can do is that we can take this filter paper and slowly we can dry it to determine the what is the area occupied by the filter cake. So for that you need to dry it in a hot air oven. Carefully lift this filter medium to show. You can see the filter cake. So after carefully unfolding it, dry it, and then see how much of area is being utilized for the filtration process to measure the surface area for filter medium. Thank you.